What's up guys, this here is Apple-Andy here with another quick video. There's been a lot of buzz about the new jailbreak for version 5.0 and 5.0.1, and as we know there are lots of teams working on the jailbreak and it hasn't been released yet, but the Chronic Dev team that also made Green Poison has just blocked this for around 5 hours ago, that they're working on it, and they made this special program. It's only available for Mac at the moment, but it's a CDEV reporter. So to explain it quick, every time a program crashes or something on your iDevice, it sends crash report to Apple. So and that's what makes Apple able to always patch or until the jailbreaks. So the Chronic Dev team has just made this. It's only available for Mac, but it's at 24 hours it'll be for Windows. But what it does is it sends, instead of every time you first open the program, plug your iDevice in, and you can click on then what it does is you can make it that you can turn your weapon against Apple. You can make every time that your program crashes, you'll send it to the Chronic Dev team, not to Apple. And that's pretty cool. So also when you do that, it will take all your previous crash reports and help them make a quicker jailbreak. So that's just a quick video on here. If you wanna help the Chronic Dev team make the jailbreak faster. So that's pretty much it. Hope to see you guys, and I'll of course make a video when the new jailbreak is released.